Enter Safe Mode to troubleshoot problems on your HP computer when Windows does not boot. Turn off your computer and then turn it back on. On your keyboard, immediately press Escape repeatedly until the Startup menu displays. Press F11 to select System Recovery. On the Choose an Option screen, select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings. You might have to select See More Recovery Options to display Startup Settings. Click Restart to restart into the Startup Settings menu. Press F4 or select Enable Safe Mode to restart Windows using minimal files and drivers. Press F5 or select Enable Safe Mode with Networking to restart Windows in Safe Mode, but with additional networking drivers and services for accessing a local network or Internet. If prompted, sign into Windows. To exit Safe Mode, restart the computer.